In this video, I will show you how to get OnlyFans Telegram bot link in 2024. First, go to onlyfans.com and log into your account. Then click on the account icon on top left corner. Then click on Settings. Then click on Notifications section. Under the other option, you will see Telegram bot section. Click on it. Then you will see the Get Bot Link section. Click on it. Then OnlyFans will prompt a box to confirm sending a code to your email. Click Send Code to my email. Then go to your mailbox. There you will see a verification code has been received. Copy the code and paste it in the security checkbox in the OnlyFans page and click Confirm. Here you will get the link to copy, or else you can scan the QR code from here. Thank you for watching.